Mr. Chairman, support resolution strongly doubt whether the environment required successfully carrying can be created experiences in the country. Cooperation in the past has been analyzed in the support of the rural credit survey. Reserve Bank calculation are not encouraging lay hope, and we must proceed. I am speaking distribution. Consumers, I know in the last few years, traders profit large, raising prices often complain deficit financing as the in price really large part of due to the take the case vegetables in Delhi for instance sold very high because of the clinging together, and this has been, that is to say, goods high prices not because sources in them join all kinds extras sale going on for the last many years fluctuating resulted, as the honorable member pointed out, setting up inquiry committees, commissions, important, increasing dearness allowance to catch up, rising cost of living due increases chiefly on account of unnecessary rise in price. Joint action traders, what has been the consequence? All that there have been so many inquiries, strikes, pay has not been according to the I do not want to go here. All these troubles, labors, especially largely, it must be effectively controlled if we can cooperatively organize shops different areas under non-officials management. It is possible to do that. It is necessary to keep the control necessaries of life. Honorable member mentioned articles, first of all food grains, most important. In regard fare, Kerala, for instance, other still going up almost towns in the country, not because they are not available in the countryside, lower people them locally, same in the cause, clothing also all kinds required common man are being very high, may have to be taken up, ask who will do, can be done, has been done. I have got experience. Madras nearly there is the urban cooperative society exceeding which is doing branches city society started poor teachers to provide such things for themselves, others who are drawing small salaries evening brothers, difficulty, wrong conception, cooperation. We have been trying hands, paid officers. I am not entirely against, but we do honorary top as the honorable member. Idea must be planted in the minds of the people in their very childhood. Schools in same part of the country run school boys their own purses sales. In my opinion, therefore, whole schools and colleges must be made basis put and thereby into the young, young mind practical experiences. They must be thought they will useful afterwards. Speaking, that is to say, distributive, but we can go further. Even productive could do plenty waste land. Only the landless laborers colonized in those cooperatively. Surely production could be. We are allowed connect imposing slogans ceiling etc. They have to spend money over can be given areas acres help in that way. You are